Alert agent ZDF in Zimbabwe. Behind the scenes, it is building a private kingdom. A leak reveals the final draft for ZDF restructuring. It has gone wrong. The military is being privatized. Read, wake up, and share this with the world. I have warned you. Sarabina mashuka nomdanyo kwa pangwa ine the president adi 2030 the end ya murukuna pangwa ine the poster these letters amurukuna in the video. These letters, some of them akambo kuda sometime back, and we made some videos on this letter, and don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Pangwa ina poster these letters amurukuna itanga. The first one yakanzi the king Munumtapa. Number 1, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces will be renamed the Munumtapa Kingdom Army, the King's Army. Every soldier, regardless of rank, will bear allegiance to His Majesty King Mutapa. His Majesty King Mutapa will appoint his son, Prince Sean Mnangagwa, as the commander of the Munumtapa Kingdom Army. His Majesty King Mutapa will abolish the following ranks within the Zimbabwe National Army: Brigadier General, Major General, Colonel, Major. Number 4, His Majesty King Mutapa is to redeploy all war veterans in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces to non-civilian departments. Number 5, His Majesty King Mutapa will appoint his sons to command the provincial army barracks across all 10 provinces. His Majesty King Mutapa will have the power to fire or appoint any member of his royal family to any rank within Munumtapa Kingdom Army. 7, His Majesty King Mutapa will have the power to appoint his relative or friends to serve in the Munumtapa Kingdom Army. This is the first one. I'll post another one. Second one, I can see 8 July 2025, to whom it may concern. Attached here with please find Zimbabwe receipts of this official document of Zimbabwe Kingdom Law. We Kingdom Law. Please kindly acknowledge receipt of this official document. I've posted these pictures amurukuona developments ezviruitika munyika yeZimbabwe panguva ine ari vachipostewa nevakomana ve president until 2030. Ameno, we do not know kuti these documents official documents ndechokwadi rikandemanyi but ndo mamiriro azvakaita. Ina comment section yedu zafundo enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like kwachira ntomba bell icon.